Alright.
This is 6 saltines in 1 minute. Can't drink anything. Okay. You just have to eat the floor. Half of them went down there.
Oh God, the so dry. It's dry in the stomach.
Mmm.
Oh God, 26 seconds. We got like 8 crackers left.
I'm going all in. Big mouth.
Oh God.
Come here, look at time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is it over?
Mm-hmm.
You shouldn't do it.
Mm-hmm.